Hi, my name is Martin Duggan of Duggan Shoe Repairs, and a customer has asked me to put a complete new Vibram unit on these walking boots, and that's what I'm about to do. So come and join me. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take off the old heel. I'm going to leave on the sole because that's quite solid, so I'm going to remove the heel. I'm also going to put it onto the heater. You might see this give it a little bit of heat, which helps. Okay, so next I'm going to buff all the old sole and the new unit and then glue them. Okay, so let's get going. Okay, so the buffing is over. Now it's time to glue them. Let's do it. Okay now, so the glue has been heated, so has been activated. So now it's time to put the unit on. The important thing here now is to make sure that the unit goes on evenly. Now, give it a few taps of the hammer. Press the sole. Next thing we do is press the heel. Okay, job. Okay, and again I'm pressing the sole of the boot. We leave that set for a while. And then we turn it around and we press the heel of the boot. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is to cut the excess of the unit from the boot. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is to file off the excess here with my machine. the job is done. The unit, a brand new Vibram unit, is on this hill walking boot, but I want to do a few things. I want to use a universal cleaner to clean them, and then I'm going to use a protector to give them a little bit of protection. So first I'm just going to spray with a protection shampoo, and now I'm just going to give this a shampoo clean, just giving them a bit of a clean up. Okay, that's one boot done. I'm after moving on to the next one. Again, it's just to give them a little bit of a clean. It's nice to give a pair of boots back to a customer. They're nice and clean. Okay, so I'm going to let them dry for a while, and then I'm going to use the protector. Okay, so the boots have now dried from the shampoo, and now I'm going to spray a protection onto them just to give them. Now the reason I'm using a spray rather than a dye or rather than a cream is because they're actually a nubuck finish. Not sure if you can see that from here, but they're a nubuck finish, so I'm going to put on a protection spray, which will help repel any rain or water that might get in when this customer is doing their mountain climbing. So there you are, job done.